rip this open, okay? Go ahead.
Okay. Oh.
Here you go, rip this. Oh, what's this, buddy? Who's that?
Elmo.
That's not Elmo. Who is that?
Elmo.
It's little SpongeBob.
Don't.
Say SpongeBob. Yeah, SpongeBob. Yes, SpongeBob is on TV right now. Look, that's SpongeBob. See SpongeBob? Is that Patrick? Yeah, that's what's on TV right now. Alright, you want to open the next one?
Papa.
SpongeBob, that's right.
Elmo.
That's not Elmo.
Elmo.
No Elmo. Alright, ready? Try that one. Uh-oh.
Devil.
Go ahead. What's that? You gotta pull this. Pull this. Whoa! Markers! Say thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, you want one more?
Oh, Bungie.
That's big, right?
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Is it stuck to you, buddy?
Ah.
Whoa! What is that? Go ahead, keep ripping.
Elmo.
No, not Elmo.
Elmo.
Not Elmo.
Oh.
Whoa! What is that?
Toy.
Toy, that's right. It's a giant SpongeBob coloring book bigger than me. Say thank you.
Titi. Okay.
You want to open it? Alright, hold on 1 second. Let's see if Mommy can open it. There you go, buddy. Sit down. Sit down.
Elmo.
Not Elmo. SpongeBob. Say SpongeBob. Whoa. You get to color them, buddy. Look at that. Who's that? SpongeBob again? Alright, easy. Don't destroy them. Okay. That's enough fun for one day. You're silly. Can Mommy have that, please? Okay. You can have the wrapping paper. Mommy's going to take the book for now. Thank you. You enjoying that wrapping paper, buddy?
Elmo.
That's not Elmo.
Elmo.
SpongeBob. Now you're gonna call everybody Elmo? Alright, say thank you.
Didi.
Look in the camera. Come here. Come over here. Say thank you over here.
Didi.
Look, right here.
Elmo.